Today, we're digging into a major move by Ripple. And if you own XRP, this video is super relevant in terms of some of the moves that Ripple is currently making. We are here every single day for you guys on the channel. Make sure you guys are locked in. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and drop an X in the chat so I know you guys are here with me. But we're talking today about the launch of Ripple Prime. And this, of course, is on the heels of some news that came out in the last few months. Remember when Ripple went ahead and acquired a global prime broker, a company by the name of Hidden Road? Well, what we're about to talk about and break down could completely reshape how institutions access crypto and traditional assets. And Ripple, of course, is going for a US bank charter as well. But in this video, we're going to break down exactly what's going on, why it matters for those who own XRP. And Ripple just closed on this $1.25 billion acquisition. And this is why it pays to have cash, because they can go acquire way more companies. This is just the first big deal that we're talking about here. So it's Hidden Road, and they rebranded it as Ripple Prime. So what does this mean for crypto? What does it mean for finance? What does it mean for XRP? What does it mean for the future of institutional access to crypto? We're about to unpack all of it right now in the video. So stick around, guys. Don't go anywhere. Let's dive into it. And you'll see here, it is one of the top headlines all across the internet this morning here. Ripple Prime is the fintech firm's one-stop shop for institutional trading and financing desk. So here's the backstory real quick. Back in April, Ripple announced its intent to acquire Hidden Road, which is a global prime broker specializing in trading, financing, clearing, and post-trade services. Now, the acquisition is done, and Ripple says it has officially rebranded the business as Ripple Prime. And according to Ripple, the business has already tripled since the announcement, and now serves 300 plus institutional clients. And this is a huge story, guys. And so this means Ripple is stepping into the prime broker business, a domain historically dominated by who? Big Wall Street banking firms. And Ripple now is set to offer a ton. We're talking about a unified platform for digital assets. We're talking about exchange traded derivatives. We're talking about OTC swaps. We're talking about fixed income, clearing and repo, even precious metals. You guys can see the XRP price up today, probably most likely on the news. Bitcoin helping us out a little bit too. We are back up to 260 on XRP. But the integration with Ripple's stablecoin RLUSD is huge because some derivatives clients allegedly already hold balances in RLUSD, and they already use it as collateral. This isn't simply a crypto desk. Ripple Prime is multi-asset, institutional-grade infrastructure. It blurs the lines now between TradFi prime brokerage and digital asset infrastructure. And this is what Ripple's in the business of doing. They're in the business of breaking the old system and integrating the new system, right? And why should we care, though, as owners of XRP? Well, here are the implications. There are 4 implications that I want to talk about specifically. And this is going to be beneficial for us as holders of XRP. This is one of the many reasons why I believe XRP is undervalued right now. So institutional access for crypto is growing like crazy. And now with a prime broker owned by a crypto native company, institutions can access digital assets under familiar structures. Number 2 is stablecoin and blockchain rails gaining importance. By utilizing RLUSD and other tokenized assets as collateral now, this could change how institutions fund and settle trades. And then we've got, thirdly, a competitive threat to incumbents. Big banks, prime brokers, they're going to face pressure now as crypto native firms build full stack services. And then just the ability for XRP Ripple to scale here Ripple says $3 trillion cleared suggests volume and ambition. If that holds, it signals that digital asset firms are moving from niche to core infrastructure. However, success is not guaranteed here. Execution, regulatory risk, institutional adoption, real asset flows, these are all going to dictate outcomes. But the key indicators to watch: does Ripple publish audited numbers for Ripple Prime? Does RLUSD adoption by institutional clients accelerate? I think it will. Does Ripple launch side services like lending and clearing and repo at scale? I think that's their play here. And how do the big banks respond? Are they upgrading? Are they going to partner? Keeping an eye on all of these will help gauge whether this is a structural shift. But to sum it up here, guys, Ripple's launch of Ripple Prime via its Hidden Road acquisition is a huge step into institutional finance, merging crypto rails with prime brokerage services. And by investing in XRP what you're getting yourself into. They're basically a crypto bank, and that is what they're trying to do right now. And if you found this entire breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto infrastructure deep dives, and comment below. Do you think Ripple Prime will outcompete traditional prime brokers? Very curious to hear your guys' thoughts. Check out BidFi, the sponsor of today's video. Great place to trade over here at BidFi. We've got 127 people trading with us over here at BidFi. I personally, use the platform. We've opened up a bunch of trades. We actually have some positions still open. We are getting beat up right now on our Aster trade, but that's okay. We'll probably go ahead and open up some more here. The good thing is we won't get liquidated on Aster unless it goes down to 68 cents. So I'm leaving this thing open. I believe in it. 10x along there. Pengu, we're down significantly too, along with Pepe. But these are three that I do think will do extremely well. We'll see. I'm going to leave these ones open for a while. Probably going to be opening up some new positions too. But we've won on a lot of big ones too that we've already closed out. If you guys do want to see the entire portfolio, you want to see all the moves I'm making, come on over and join us at the Patreon as well. That link is down below in the description. You get my entire full portfolio access. We also started a new portfolio just for private members, exclusive video content, private Discord community, my buy and sell alerts, and live calls with me every Friday morning if you're a VIP tier. So appreciate you guys for watching, and let me know your thoughts down below. We'll see you in the next video.